This honestly should have been the first ever video. What? The first ever video I made with the BRC, but I didn't. So now is the time. But before we get started with the video, I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it with your family, your friends, or anybody or anything that's important to you, whether it be a cat, a dog, a neighbor, you know, your personal belongings, anything. Like whatever you think is good company during the holidays, I hope you enjoyed it. Let's get into the video. Stop by the gas station real quick to get those taken care of. Actually, I'm gonna stop by a grocery store because work came through and gave gift cards. Usually spend it on like groceries or like food or whatever I need to get from the store, but this time around, since I'm on E, just go ahead and put gas instead, then obviously put air in my tire. Work came in clutch. Duck bill looking nice. Let's see where 40 goes. Let's see what $40 got us. A hair away from completely full. I mean, if you look at it at a different angle, it's full. I was gonna go there to put air in my tire, but the last time I did, it completely took out all the air of my tire in the G35. I don't know if it was the machine itself or something, but yeah, it took out all my air, so I'm not going there. If you guys didn't know, Lowe's has free air. I'm a little irritated right now because I just put air in the tire, and all 4 tires, like maybe 3 hours ago. While I was at Lowe's, I noticed that one of the tires, come on people, I noticed that one of the tires was letting out air from the valve stem, and I thought I was tripping, so I was like, okay. I was like I know they're not supposed to do that. Just because it doesn't have the cap, it's not supposed to let out air. I decided to check that specific tire. It's the back driver's side tire, and it was like almost completely flat. It's supposed to be at 35, and it was at 2.5, and I was like, what the fuck? Now I'm on my way to a tire shop. That took all of 5 minutes. Finally, so now that we got that $20 fix, it's all good. The tires are all good. The tires were all good. It was just that valve stem that needed replacing. So now we can really get into today's video. It's very simple, very quick. It's just, I have an unknown exhaust on the BRZ. I have no clue what exhaust it is. I think it's like an eBay or like a cheap Amazon exhaust. There's no like brand label, no brand nothing. Like what I did is I changed out the mufflers on it because they were rusted out. Yeah, I know nothing about what type of exhaust it has, but it clearly has something because it's not a stock exhaust. It doesn't sound like it. So today we're doing an unknown exhaust, cold start, warm start, revs, and drive-bys. Very simple. So I'll go 2K, 3K, 4K, 5K, red line, all that. So yeah, let's get started. I can't really do, these are more of short pulls because there's not a lot of space. My dad is shitty. he's cold, but anyways. But I'm not beating on it, just little short pulls for this unknown exhaust setup we got going on here. Who knows? These I put on, obviously. Well, the shop did. I don't know what we got going on down there, but yeah, just a few short pulls. I would need to find like a very straight road for miles and miles to do proper pulls. This is where I came with the G35 once, so that was nice.